Yes, let us start for 80 words per minute speed. Start. It is a matter of great pleasure for me that I have been able to associate myself with this conference. You are well aware of my interest in the work of this society from its very inception, and my interest in it has grown with the years. I am glad to see that during the last 4 years of its existence, the society has made considerable progress and its utility and service have been generally recognized. I am also glad to see that your work published in your books has been recognized not only in this country but in other countries as well. It is indeed inspiring to know that all those who are interested in agriculture take a keen interest in the work of a society like this. We know that the whole question of planning is dependent more or less on correct statistical data. When we deal with a vast country like India, with its great differences in the quality of the soil and in the nature of the people, we have to be very careful in collecting statistics which would give us correct data for making plans for the future. Last year, I drew the attention to some aspects of agricultural statistics. I mentioned to you that I would welcome statistics with regard to the cost of agricultural production. You have been planning the method of sample surveys, and I understand that you have been able to devise a plan which gives correct data. So far, you have confined your work only to some crops, but I feel that our information on agricultural production will not be complete until we have covered all the crops. You have also very largely confined your activities to statistics regarding produce, and you have not covered the area under cultivation. Unless we know the correct cultivation under various crops, we cannot get complete figures about the production from all crops in these areas. It is therefore a good thing that a scheme has been drawn up by the government which will help you collect these statistics. The difficulty in collecting information regarding the area under cultivation is very great. We have also a system of land revenue administration by which the officers collect such information. The information is collected by them is expected to be correct, but it requires supervision. There are other areas where the work is more difficult. Dear sir, I am in receipt of your letter dated 10th instant. Thank you very much for your invitation extended to me, through which I have been requested to be present as chief guest for the inauguration of the All India Industrial Exhibition at Hyderabad. Though I wanted to be present at the function, it will not be possible for me to do so because you are well aware of the fact that the budget sessions of the State Assembly will begin from next week of this month. However, I will sincerely try to attend the function if the circumstances permit me. It gives me very great pleasure to know that your society has been running various educational institutions for the last 80 years in all parts of the state, imparting traditional and technical education to the students belonging to socially and economically backward sections of the society. There is every need to emulate your society. Thank you, yours faithfully.